Engineering in Engineering College. This is our project, Automatic Pani Puri Vending Machine. It is based on food processing. In this modern era, everyone is moving fast and everything is of automation. So we get an idea to fabricate this project. Pani Puri is one of the famous food everywhere, but we can see that which is very contaminated as the vendor is serving in an open air. So in order to reduce the manpower and to give this food in a hygienic way, we have fabricated this project, and it is a cost efficient project. We fabricated this in very low cost.
This is our project, automatic Pani Puri Vending machine. This is a puri hopper. In this we store the puri, and then this is a potato hopper. In this we have store the potato, and this is an onion hopper. In this we have store the onion. This is a spicy water. Then this is a plate motor. The puri will store in this plate motor. Then this is a conveyor. Arduino board is used to store a program. DCV is used to actuate a cylinder. 5-volt relay is used to actuate a motor. IC 7805 is used to give 5-volt to Arduino. A stepper motor drive is used to rotate a stepper motor. Ultrasonic sensor is used to sense an object in a plate. Sensor is used to actuate a pump motor.
Hi, I am N.Navin Kumar. I am going to explain the working of our project. Here, Pani Puri is placed in this hopper. The puri is placed in the conveyor by using screw conveyor. Screw conveyor is inside the PVC pipe. After that, the conveyor will move, and then the punching operation will be done. Here, the potato is placed in this hopper. The potato is falling in the Pani Puri by using screw conveyor. And after that, onion is placed in this hopper. The onion will be placed in the Pani Puri by using a same screw conveyor. The sequence of operations will be done by using a motor activation. After that, here the injection mechanism is used to place the Pani Puri in the plate. For this Pani Puri is placed in this plate. And after that, we can take the spicy water and then separately glass tumbler. But here the proximity sensor is used to activate the pump to the spicy water. This is the project, working of our project. The investor can take back this money within 1 month. The advantage of this project is we can reduce the manpower, and the quantity and qualities are good in deliver. The project will be useful in malls, theatres, and education institutes. We give the hygiene food for the customers. Thank you.